When was the last time you really thought about your feet? They carry you everywhere. From the moment you wake up to the moment you crash into bed, your feet are working non-stop. But here's the thing, most of us totally ignore them until something hurts. And by then it's often too late. In this video, we're diving into something we all need but rarely talk about: foot care. From blisters and calluses to pain and posture problems, neglecting your feet can lead to some serious issues. But the good news? A few simple routines like soaking, moisturizing, and knowing your foot type can make a massive difference. Whether you have flat feet, high arches, or something in between, we've got a tailored foot care plan just for you. Stick around until the end, because we're revealing a game-changing tip most people don't know. One that could transform the way you walk, feel, and move. Let's take the first step toward happy, healthy feet. Just like our skin types, feet come in different types too. Some are dry, some are sweaty, and some are sensitive. Each type requires a unique approach to care. Understanding your foot type is the first step towards achieving happy, healthy feet. Knowing your foot type helps you choose the right care routine. By examining your feet closely, you can identify their specific needs. This can prevent common foot problems and keep your feet feeling comfortable and looking great. Do you have dry, cracked heels? You might have dry feet. Dry feet can be uncomfortable and even painful if not properly cared for. Regular moisturizing and using specialized creams can help keep your feet soft and smooth. If your feet sweat a lot, you likely have sweaty feet. Excessive sweating can lead to odor and discomfort. Using antiperspirant foot powders and breathable socks can help manage sweat and keep your feet dry. Some people have sensitive feet that need extra gentle care. Sensitive feet can react to harsh products or rough surfaces. Choosing gentle, soothing products and being mindful of your footwear can make a big difference. Once you know your foot type, you can choose the right products and routines. This personalized approach ensures that your feet get the care they need. Whether it's extra moisture, sweat control, or gentle treatment, dry feet need moisturizing creams to stay hydrated and prevent cracking. Regular application of a good moisturizer can make a significant difference in the health and appearance of your feet, while sweaty feet benefit from antiperspirant foot powders. These products help control moisture and reduce the risk of fungal infections, keeping your feet fresh and comfortable throughout the day. No matter your foot type, everyone can benefit from a good foot care routine. Start by washing your feet daily with mild soap and lukewarm water. Dry your feet thoroughly, especially between the toes. Trim your toenails straight across to prevent ingrown nails. Exfoliate your feet regularly to remove dead skin cells. Moisturize daily using a thicker cream for dry feet. Want to go the extra mile? Your feet deserve the best care possible. They carry you through your day, whether you're walking, running, or just standing. It's time to give them the attention they need. Treat your feet to a relaxing foot massage. A good massage can improve circulation, reduce tension, and make you feel rejuvenated. It's a simple yet effective way to show your feet some love. A warm foot bath with Epsom salt can soothe tired muscles. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps to relax muscles and reduce inflammation. It's a perfect way to unwind after a long day. Did you know that our feet have over 7,000 nerve endings? These nerve endings are connected to various parts of our body, making foot care essential for overall health. Taking care of them isn't just about looks, it's about overall well-being. Regularly check your feet for any signs of issues and keep them moisturized to prevent dryness and cracking. Invest in good quality foot care products like comfortable shoes, moisturizing socks, and breathable footwear. These products can make a significant difference in your foot health and comfort. Your feet will thank you for it. Happy feet lead to a happier you. So take the time to pamper your feet and enjoy the benefits of good foot care. Click the link in the video description and you'll find several essential personal care products that will help you stay comfortable and fresh all the time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more self-care tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing and see you in the next video.